Hey everybody! Today I'm going to be unboxing the Allure Beauty Box for November. I just got this in the mail yesterday. I love Allure Beauty Box because it comes in the mail almost in the first couple weeks of the month and it's only $10. You get all kinds of sample products, full-size products, and they're all picked by the experts at Allure Beauty. And it's one of my favorite beauty boxes that I receive. So I'm going to go through these products real quickly for you guys so you can check it out and let you know what I think. So hopefully we got some good stuff this month. I love the packaging. I'm all about branding. Anytime anything's packaged really nicely, I really enjoy it. So that's one of the reasons why I love Allure. They do a great job branding and packaging their products. They also give you a pamphlet that shows you the price of each product in the box, so you know you're getting a good deal. This also gives you reviews on the products from the Allure Beauty experts, so you get a little bit of an idea what other people think of the products. Not only does it give you the price, but you get a promo code for each product, so you can go online and shop the products. If you really enjoy them, then you get a little extra savings just for subscribing to the box. So this is how it looks when you open it up. It's got the red tissue paper, which I love. It's very classy. It makes it feel like you're getting a gift in the mail. So this box has, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products in it, which is awesome. And this is the first product I'm going to pull out. It's the E.L.F. Primer, Poreless Putty Primer. Poreless Putty Primer. Say that 3 times fast. E.L.F. Eyes, Lips, Face. I don't normally buy E.L.F. products. I've not tested very many of them. I think I have like one highlighter from E.L.F. But this is kind of neat that they give this full-size product in the box. And I'm going to go ahead and open it up because I'm curious what the consistency on the E.L.F. primer is. I don't know about this product, but it looks like it's a cream-based product. I think you just kind of put it on your face before you do your makeup, and it's a really light skin tone there. I don't know how it's gonna work out yet. I'm not gonna swatch it or anything just in case I decide to give this away, but full-size product. That's awesome, yay! So try that out. I'm always looking for something new to put as primer on my eyelids because that's what I wear the most is eyeshadow. And sometimes it gets all creasy and gross looking by the end of the day, so we'll see. I'll leave the review about that product. Now, what's next in the box? I'm going to look at the other full-size product. It's the Bliss Incredipeel Spa Strength resurfacing pads to smooth and brighten. And it says there's 5 of them in there. I think this is kind of like a mask. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. It says gently wipe over dry skin, avoiding the eye area. Don't rinse. Use nightly. Yeah, so I guess you don't even rinse it off. You just put it on, and it's a resurfacing pad to smooth and brighten your skin by Bliss. Sweet. 5 of them. So that's more than a sample size. It's a full size. Great. What else did I get in here? This is Freeze 24/7 Anti-Aging Serum. I think it's eye serum. It's to help fine lines and aging. For best results, apply under and around the eye area. Anti-aging eye serum, which is nice because as we get older, we definitely need these eye products. That's where you show your age the most, is right around your eyes. So that's nice. It's a pretty good size. It should last me a little while. I'm going to save the best for last and just keep going through here. This is Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench. and it's a cloud cream hydrating moisturizer. It says it locks in hydration for up to 72 hours, and it's for all skin types. And I've never tried a Peter Thomas Roth product before, but I think that it's a really good brand. A lot of people have really promoted it and left a lot of reviews for it. You can buy it at Ulta and Sephora. And it says, for best results, apply twice daily to face and neck for continued use. So that's nice. I think that'll last me a few uses and kind of give you an idea what the product's all about. I love the skincare stuff that they send me. That's really exciting. I've been really into skincare lately, so I like that. Another one that I got is the Clean Sweep Curology Cleanser. It says way more than a cleanser. What does it say? Ultra personal skincare for your skin individual needs. So I want to open this up and see how big of a tube it is. I'm a little bit disappointed that I got this one instead of the microdermabrasion one. I was really looking forward to getting the microdermabrasion skincare cleanser, but this one I haven't tried before. Again, another product I've never heard of. I'm looking forward to using. It says it's 0.5 ounces, so another sample size. Clean Sweep, part of the 3-step Curology set. The first one is the cleanser, Clean Sweep cleanser, and then they have a custom prescription cream and a smooth sailing moisturizer. It says get one month free at Curology.com/Allure. So that's another incentive to get the box, is you get a month free of the skincare, which is nice. I think that's a really good idea to put the coupon codes and incentives in the box, because we all love coupon codes and we all love saving money. Let me see what else there is. So the last thing in the box is the Tarte product. And if you know me, you know I love Tarte products. This is the Rainforest of the Seas Color Splash Lipstick. And this is a full-size product, you guys, a full-size Tarte product. I am really excited about this. The color says it's Miami Vice, which might be a little bright. I'm going to try it on for y'all and see what it looks like. I am not a big lipstick fan, but I've been getting so many in my boxes lately that I think I might have to just start using lipstick and start really getting into it. So I'm going to try this color on because I already know I'm going to keep it whether I use it or not. I love Tarte. Tarte products are like my favorite. Look at how pretty that is. It does look like the sea. It's from the Rainforest of the Sea collection. So we'll just try this out and see what it looks like. Oh, it's a perfect tone for winter, for fall. It's got that really red, deep color to it. And I think it's probably pretty good for most skin types, or most skin tones. I keep saying most skin types, but tones, skin tones. So I'm going to try this on. Y'all don't laugh at me. Again, I'm not a huge lipstick fan, so if I'm putting this on wrong, don't make fun. So, it's smooth and it's got really bold color and it's not too sticky. It feels really lightweight on my lips. I think I'm going to like that lipstick. I might have to get into the red look. What do y'all think? So let's just see. Yeah. So it comes right off, but that's okay because that's what lipstick does. I think that this color is really pretty. I think that it's really bright. You can wear it in the spring or in the winter. I love that it's a Tarte product. This is going to add to my collection, and it's probably my favorite one in the box. So all in all, I'm a little disappointed in the box. I got a few things that I really enjoy, but I also got a few things that I wasn't expecting. This month they had a variety of like 7 things that you could possibly get, and you only get 5. So it was a little random when it came to what you get. I think that the pamphlet is dead on. It has every product that I got. They know what I got. Just for example, the peels, the Incredipeels are $19.99 for a box of 15, and we got 5. The cleanser, if you buy it retail value, it's $19.95 as well. The E.L.F. primer is $8 retail value, so that almost paid for the whole box just by itself. I was looking in the Allure magazine, and I think I have it right here. But if you look in the magazine, you can see what products might be in your box for the month. So I was peeking at the surprises a little bit, and I was really hoping I would get the Bliss water essence, and I didn't get that. And I also was hoping I'd get the turmeric polish, but I didn't get that either. So it was a little disappointing, but still great products. I am excited to try them out. Bliss is a great brand. I got some of those in a box the other month, and I tried them and I love them. So that makes me happy. I got a Bliss product. On top of that, I got the Tarte lipstick. So all in all, a pretty good box. I think I'd give it maybe a 6 or a 7 out of all the boxes I've gotten from Allure. This one is just a little bit disappointing, but still a really nice box. I am going to continue my subscription because I love Allure, but let me know what you think about these products. Tell me in the comments if you got the same thing as me or if you got something different. I'm curious to find out. So thanks for watching my video. I hope y'all have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time.